Today we're back with another video, and today we're going to be building a boat with all these materials without loading any boats I have, since I have super cool boats. Well, let's just do it once. It's just a tiny boat that I do not know how to build. Oh, here, yeah. Actually, I kind of do. I forgot though. Sorry. See? See, it's so cool. Why is it a hoverboard? Yeah, I'm a scientist. So the flying car hoverboard. Oh shoot, I forgot something. No. No, I haven't done it yet. No. I need to go down. No. I almost crushed, and I will. Oh shoot. Shoot. Oh, I need to. Whoa, wait, where do you think you're going? Oh, shoot. No. Whoa, that's cool. You can actually make an airplane with this, but I don't have the materials. No, let's just go crash. What team am I on? Black? Okay, I love that color. It's my favorite color. No. No. Well, let's try. I'm being a ship. Not a ship. Oh, ship. A car on a plane. What do you think about that? I only have the Titanic. I'm gonna make an airplane now. What's that? How's that sound? Great. Okay, let's go. Let's get to it. I'm not gonna speed this because I actually don't know how. Sorry. I'm sorry, I don't know how. Wait, these actually have names to them? I didn't know. Hey, wait a second, I think I have more than this. Oh, it's separated! Oh! What? Where's my iron? I need to learn where everything is. I wish they actually are separate all the names. Yeah, it'd be really cool. Where is iron? Is it not here? They have portals. We need portals. There's iron. Do we not have anchor anymore? Oh shoot. And oh, we do. It's actually nice. Yeah, I don't need a titanium anymore. This is titanium? I didn't know that. Well, this is going to be the hole. It's going to be about this long. I don't think that's eagle. No more. Okay, that's equal, that's equal. One. Well, that's definitely equal. Well, it's gonna be the hole. Well, let's make this a little bit smaller. I'm gonna waste my blocks. Okay, there. I think that's good. It's going to be the hole. I don't really need that much space, because I'm not actually bringing anyone on here. And actually, this is how I'm going to do it. Why do I have to do this part like this? This is so frustrating. It's so frustrating. So we'll probably do it like that. Hey there. What? You better be fucking kidding me. Well, that's part. There's actually nothing to that. No. But okay, we're going to keep it like that. Iron! Hornet iron. Now let's make some glass. Let's make some glass on this entire part. Maybe I'll make people get scared. I'm gonna make some. Make a. This entire part of the ship is not actually built all. This part of the ship's not built together, so it's actually very dangerous to be here. No. Please. Wait, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. No! There's actually no air. There's not actually a type of air for humans. Okay. It just told me something. I don't know if you saw that, but it just told me something. The longer I'm on this phone recording, while charging, the more hotter it is. Well, that's great. Really great. Yeah, this part's guarded by supreme stuff, so you can't get in here. I feel like even my friends can't get in here. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I can make half. That's cool. Hey! I'm turning on installation mode. Oh, no. Bye. He's gone now. I turned installation mode on. Yay. No! Never! I'm not letting you be my friend, sorry. Whoa, that's way too big. About that. I think that's good. Except we can't jump. Maybe some. I know it! Stop reminding me of that. About charging. I'm terrible at making planes. Just so you know, this is a skydiving place. It's where you can go skydiving. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun to be skydiving. Oh, what's that water bottle? True, get away from that. It's not for you to be touching. Yeah, it's a skydiving place. Where you can just skydive. It's a skydiving place for you to yeah. It's for when you hit the end, if you ever been to the end. Yeah, I'm horrible at it and I don't want to waste my time, so I'm just doing this. Sorry. This is so horrible. Well, let's just have no wings at all. But yeah, so we. Yeah, I think I can save this. It's actually kind of nice. Where is my captaincy? Wow. Hey, it's my captain. Okay, there. No one can be here. This is captain's place. Where is my captain seat? My flying seat, there. is only one. It's gonna make two, but no, nah, never mind. They have that on planes, except for yeah. Yeah, they have these emergency wings. Yeah, I'm gonna make them all black. Ha ha ha. I'm definitely gonna save this. Now, where is... Yeah. I believe all the quests in the game's done. Yeah. Actually, I don't know if there's updates, so I don't actually know. Updates! I want to know! Wait. From the cloud to the cloud to that, yeah. Yep, I have all of them done. No updates yet. But then let's make a roof so no one can jump over like this. Yeah. It looks better. And you can technically do that. You can technically move through the see through the roof. And know it's yeah, there's not gonna be a hole right there. There's gonna be a hole right there. It looks like more like a rocket ship, right? And should I buy a slot? Oh yeah, I forgot. I broke a Robux and I spent it all, and I don't have. I spent all my gold to what would I get rid of? Not getting rid of the upside down with my head in place. No, I'm not getting rid of it. I'm getting rid of the airplane. Save. Yeah, I'm saving this. Yeah. I'm recalling this. But is it an airplane? Yep. I can't recall this and it's already an airplane. Technically. I can't jump. I don't want to. Yep, the life of being on an airplane isn't going to go so fast now. You need to stay over here. Oh shoot! Yeah, that's what happens. I broke an engine. At least the purple light. Is that blue or purple? Yeah, it's purple, definitely. At least the purple has twice the gas, and now I only have 2. I only have 4 left now. I used to have 6. Whoa. Yeah, it's been 20 minutes. I've been building for a long time, haven't I? It didn't feel that long, actually. It actually felt like 5 minutes, not 20. Oh, wow. Where's the train? Whoa. You can actually be boarding that except it'll damage you. Oh, I don't know how it was, but I don't want to find out. Yep, it died. There's actually an egg here, but I already have it, so I don't need it. Shoot. Let's shoot. No! They broke my stuff! No. Now I'm all left with this. Airplane crash! Airplane crash! I need an airplane crash button. I need help. I need help at the end. The teleporter at the end. No! No! Okay, what about we get the Titanic here? The second round, regain the Titanic. No, third. Third, yeah. Third round. This is my star one. This is my specialist one ever. That's why it's called star one. RMS Titanic. Meets RMS Titanic. Bing bong bing. Bing bong bing. I don't need tickets to some captain. So yeah. I don't know which one's the super ones. Sometimes I just put them all on. Sometimes it's like flop because I want to. Sometimes it's faster. There is 3 ways you can get out. You just you use the engine to fly, or you just use the speed because for some reason it's blocked out. So you got like a backflip. Or you can use the emergency wings, but I destroyed that all, so no, we can't. We couldn't. No! Spain! How many times do I have to tell you? No! Close this window. Really, where is it? Whoa. Below. What? See, I know my ways. The futuristic Titanic, not Titanic 2, not Titanic 3. Not Titanic 4, Titanic 5. I'm just calling it the first Titanic since it's the most oldest. The Titanic 5 isn't even a thing yet, so we don't actually know what it is. Maybe, just maybe, Titanic 3 will be like the Titanic 1, just flyable. Just like this. Except for very easy to control. And safer. Don't need to worry about anything. Yeah, we definitely don't know. We definitely not need to worry about anything on this ship. You know why? Because it took hours to make. Not kidding. I actually wasn't kidding. It took hours, like, no, months. It took months to make. Now I'm out here. Right here. On the biggest ship ever built. Not the actual biggest. No, I know how to get the portals, but you can only get it once. Well, shoot. I'm going to show you later. It's hard though. Really hard. You need cannons. Like the first generation of cannons. No. You. I don't want to find out what that's like. are the other generation that comes with the guns, not the handheld, not that one. The one like you can turn and shoots multiple bullets. That one too. Yeah, wait, where do my things go? Yeah, it's not. Whoa, 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 that's a thing now? When did this kind of thing? Do you have a farm? It actually has an inside, and it actually has a farm thing, except it doesn't have the animals. Emergency! I don't think I got hit by a ball. I don't know. Did I? No, I didn't. I don't think so. Yeah, this is way much better. See? Yeah, I think I got the double gas on this part this time. Well, shoot. Getting that one. Whoa, look how much gold I got. Almost. That's almost there. Still got emergency exits. Well, Well, wanna see a mystery? The best mystery in the entire world. What? Thing. Yeah, you can actually make a trampoline. You need one of color things. Okay, first we're just adding something cool to make it look like a trampoline. We're going to do teleporters last. Second, we're going to need these. These lava beavers. Third, I'm going to need some of these. This is actually going to work, I hope. Yeah, it could be any jetpack. I get all the jetpacks to make it infinite. Yeah, you will need a teleporter for this. Watch. It's an interdimensional trampoline. See? Interdimensional! Well, no, not I need it there. I need 9 minutes. Not I need it there yet. Then I need to clear all my blocks. Then and let's load in the Titanic. Loading. I'm gonna give you a tour. Like that? Well, first we need a ticket. Ticket. Yeah, ticket. Yeah, ticket. The ticket. Well, the ticket is actually butter. Need butter. Any amount of butter. One butter or more. One butter equals one person. Give it to this guy. He'll eat it. Mayo. And then I'll close the door right behind you. If you want to get out, you have to do another butter. Sad. Where's... I need to put lights in here. Then we're going to the bow. We're going to the bow. I'm doing the boilers last since it's one of the most, it's like important parts. Here's the bow. There's actually nothing on here. We're not going to adjust this. There's actually supposed to be gold on here. Okay, never mind. And here it says Roblox and super lighting, and it's so cool. And here's the clothes nest. I still have the wings for some reason. And then you have a line. Except for you have to climb up that thing somehow. By building, maybe. And yet, then we go over here. Then we're going to the stern, which isn't perfectly the shape, like the Roblox shape. So it's a Roblox technique. And then you can lower this down, I think. No, never mind, it's stuck like that. And then that's there. Yeah, then there's a ladder that leads up to all the seats. That's going to make 3 rows, but I didn't have enough seats. That's all made of gold. The smokestack's made gold because I made it like that. The wheel on the wheel Titanic is made gold. I'm going to need a flashlight. Flashlight! What could it be? There. We don't actually need to place it to make it work for some reason. You should crank your head like that. So it could be portable. So wait, yeah. Here's the back of it where there's all the coal, which they actually don't do that. And I had to dig that glass since I didn't have enough stuff. And safety, it has a ground. Then here's the captain's quarter. No, this isn't captain's quarter, it's just where the captain flies. And here's all the engines. And the coal, the coal gets transferred. We don't do it now in these days, but in the old days, Titanic used to do it. And what's wrong with me? I just want to do it like the old Titanic. And yeah, that's just a blank spot where you can do nothing. Yeah, then we go back to the bow. We're not going. Then there's a ladder. And then it leads to this part. I'm going to show you that later. No, I'm going to show you that later. Then it leads over here and there. And then I have to do that since it leads over there. See, there's these doors. Yeah, and that's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be like that. But I just made it like that for some reason. actually be in there. Except for you can't use these doors. These doors don't work for like gigantic people. Only if you're somehow glitch it and be super small. Do that. Arceus, wait, actually I know how to get in there. I don't think my car will be minimized on my phone, though. Maybe it will, you don't never know. Cause I actually have a phone here. Beep, beep. There's a phone. Oh, I never showed you this. There's actually a phone right here. Beep beep. Okay. Where's that candy? The minimizing candy. It did! Even my phone. That's super weird, but not my wings. Again, if you minimize, you can go in the captain's. Why did I do this? No. Well, is captain quarters is just for saying that I'm doing nothing. Be warned. No. Wow. Well, I had no choice. I did it. I had to. But that's a grand staircase that we don't use. And then there's a place for doing nothing. Because we can't actually go up here. There's another way. There's another way to go over here. Take it back! Sorry. Sorry about that. I forgot I have a face cam. I'm new to this, sorry. There we go. Ah! Ah! We're okay. Now, that's all. All to it. Except for some reason, bow is longer than the stern. So it's supposed to be. I'm fine. I don't want to hear that. Look, that was towards Titanic. You're welcome. Not ending. These are the smokes. Ah! Okay. Ow! Ah! What if I just don't do this? Please tell me. What? That's weird. Well, I'm a car. Yeah, I'm a car. These are the 4 smokestacks. And then I give you the end of tutorial. Okay, have a good day. And let's get to working on the studio and posting these. So, hey, bye. Hold on,